We're always learning about new technologies, and every so often we'll learn about something that really changes the game. And that was the situation when I learned about the MySpine MC technique.
It is possible that blood loss, operative time, neurologic injury, vascular injury, and possibly even infections can be reduced if you have paid attention to the anatomy preoperatively.
Preoperative planning, that is the future, to plan everything carefully before you start and know exactly where your screws are going to go, what the sizes are, and you don't have to think about it or make a mistake in surgery. You can plan it in advance. It's a very impressive technology.
The key is planning. I'm taking full advantage of what I think is one of the most elegant planning softwares I've ever seen. Bottom line, it works.
So once you trust the system, like you put the guide on, you know if it's a good fit, and you know the screw is going to go where you want it to.